I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2001 Toyota Camry LE 2.2 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and the oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. Universal oil pan drain plug wrench, 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, cup type oil filter wrench, flat tip screwdriver, funnel, and my drain pan. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. 4 quarts of 530 conventional engine oil, oil filter, and a can of BgMOA engine oil treatment. Okay, this is another hood that doesn't want to stay up. These hood supports are worn out. So what I'm going to do is get my vice grip the shaft so it holds it up. So I'm going to be opening up my oil filler cap, putting in my funnel. So I'm going to be removing this oil pan drain plug. It's on the passenger side towards the rear. So I'm going to be putting back the oil drain plug. The washer is stuck onto the oil pan. Just leave it and reuse it. There's nothing wrong with reusing your old washer. So I'm going to be removing the old filter. It's located in the front of the engine, right underneath the exhaust manifold. So I'm going to get some oil from here. I'm going to be putting it on my filter, the gasket part on the filter. That way when I tighten it, it just slides on. So now we're going to be cleaning up the block side. Make sure there's no rubber gasket stuck to the block. If there is, remove it. So now I'm going to be screwing my filter on. So I'm going to be adding in my engine oil. So I'm going to be adding a can of MOA. Okay, so I'm going to be pulling out my funnel. So I'm going to be screwing on my oil filler cap. Make sure it's real tight. You don't want it to vibrate loose. So I lowered the vehicle. Now I'm going to start it up. We're going to run it for a little while. Okay, that's good enough. Then shut it off. So I'm going to be pulling out this dipstick. It's right next to the oil filter. So I'm going to be pulling it out, wiping it down, putting it back in, pulling it out, checking the level. Perfect, right up to the full. So that's how you change an engine oil and an oil filter. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.